Hello everyone and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So most likely, I'm not anticipating a really volatile market. So let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of EURUSD, and we were having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. Currently the price is moving into the downward direction, and what do we have is we are having this unmitigated zone into the monthlies. So now there is nothing much clear. So let's move to the weeklies. This is the weekly chart, and what we can see that we are sweeping the previous week's low. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to be a little bullish into the smaller time frames. Currently what do we have here is we are having this unmitigated wick into the market which had taken the liquidity of the previous week's candle. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to at least reach this zone and then show a reaction into the either side. So there is nothing much clear, so let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart, and what do we have here is this is the unmitigated FVG giving a unmitigated order block. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to show a momentum loss at this zone and show a bullish side move into the market, that is into the smaller time frames. So there is nothing much clear. I'll be directly moving to 4 hours. This is the 4-hour chart, and what do we have here is this is the area from where the price reacted and moved into the upward direction. This was most likely inducement for the price, and this is the uh, order flow which is being maintained by the market. So most likely I'm anticipating that if we are going to break this low, most likely we are going to take this low and show a reaction into the either side, since we are still into the buying zone into the higher time frames. So let's move to the 1 hours. This is the 1 hour chart, and this is the area from where the price is actually reacting to. I'm anticipating the price that if we are going to move into the upside side direction, most likely we are going to break this Asia high and maintain this FVG and respect it and follow the upside direction. Else, if we are going to take the Asia high and disrespect this FVG which is being formed into the market, most likely we are going to take all these equal lows and move into the downward direction, show a reaction from the higher time frames OB, and then move into the upside direction. So for today's buyers, I am not pretty much bullish or bearish into the market. So I'll be most likely watching the market, looking at the reaction of the candles, and then only I'll be trading. For now, I'm anticipating the price to at least react after taking Asia high into the downward direction, to react from this FVG of 1 hour. So let's move to the 15 minutes. This is the 15-minute chart, and what we can see that the price is having a great momentum into the upside direction. So most likely if we are going to respect it, we are going to take the Asia high, respond back to this zone over here, and then we are going to go into the higher direction to take all these liquidity accumulated. Else we are going to move into the downward direction if we are going to disrespect this FVG towards this liquidity pool over here, that is equal lows. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.